अल्फा अगर कोण बनता है तो रेडियन अर्थात प्लेन एंगल के मुताबिक हमको मालूम है कि अल्फा इक्वल टू आर्क अर्थात इसको ए भी माना जाएगा बाई ये डिस्टेंस डी। इस तरह से हम लिख सकते हैं अल्फा इक्वल टू स्मॉल डी डायमीटर बाई डी। तो वी हैव टू फाइंड, हमें पता करना है दिस डी, देन दिस डी diameter of the planet will be alpha into d, and alpha can be found very easily with the help of radian value. Okay, now we will go on the next topic, that is known as physical quantity and their dimensions. Hello friends, now dimensions of physical quantities. We have to discuss this. First of all, we will define what are physical quantities. The definition must be kept in your mind always while facing any IIT, NEET or AIPMT entrance exam. So definition I will tell you 2 times. You should have to be very careful for it. Dimensions are the powers. Dimensions are the powers to which dimensions are the powers. The powers, this is the climax of this definition, the powers to which fundamental physical quantity or sometimes SI units are raised to express that quantity or derived quantity. Example, first of all, we have to write quantity. Actually, you must know that length, breadth and height, in every 3 names, everyone is referred as length. So we have to write the quantity length and its dimension. So here, suppose I am writing length. So this dimension will be L, and it's will be put in this bracket, greatest bracket, and we can't write length can be measured in meter, so we can't write m. This is wrong. This is correct. After length, what can we write? Mass we measure in kg, but here we will write m. Okay, we can't write kg. Number 3, time. We will write T for time. We can't write second. This will be wrong. Next,
electric current.
This will be here I am writing ampere, A. Next, temperature. We can write thermodynamic temperature. Shortly there is like a space on the blackboard, so I am writing only temperature. You should know it as thermodynamic temperature. This will be measured with the name. It means it will be written in the name. Temperature is measured in Kelvin, so there will be K. Somebody also write theta, but K is the standard one. Next one,
amount of substance.
Actually, chemistry you have read, it is known as mole. So here we will write the symbol of mole, small m-o-l, in this bracket. Now we will write luminous intensity. You must know that luminous intensity has not been faced by you anywhere, I think in any numerical problem, but you must know this thing very well. I think you will find it very easily. Actually, this is the measure of brightness of light. Here, luminous intensity, this will be written in the dimensional form. You remember the SI units, C small, D small, and this bracket. Now, I have finished to write this one, and we have to now know that actually maximum in mechanical physics MLT will be used frequently. So firstly we will focus on MLT. Now we are going to learn next thing in this chapter, that is also that is the most important for cracking any entrance test, JEE mains or AIPMT, NEET, and so on. Other one. Now remember the heading I am putting here: dimensional formula and dimensional equation. This we have to learn. Suppose I am firstly discussing dimensional formula. So we can write DF. So DF will be defined as an expression showing how many dimensions how many dimensions of which fundamental physical quantity, we can write which like this, of which fundamental physical quantity, okay. An expression showing how many dimensions of which fundamental physical quantity are present in that quantity, Now we have to discuss dimensional equation, which is our most important topic, that is very relevant for you. Now I am writing dimensional equation. We can write short form DQ. How can we understand this dimensional equation? Dimensional equation, actually not DQ, dimensional equation like DQ, D equations. I am giving this brief symbol that is going to save our time. Dimensional equation. What can be the definition? It means what can be the cream point about this thing, dimensional equation. I think you have studied in your book and you should keep bring in your mind. Dimensional equation. What can be the shortest way of understanding? सबसे छोटी विधि क्या हो सकती है इसको समझने के लिए? To write a physical quantity with its dimensional formula. Okay, is called what? dimensional equation. Now I think you have understood this one. In Hindi, shortly I can say फिजिकल क्वांटिटी को उसके डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला के साथ लिखना कहलाता है डायमेंशनल इक्वेशन. सपोज वी हैव टू राइट डायमेंशनल इक्वेशन फॉर वॉल्यूम. वॉल्यूम के लिए हम लोगों को डायमेंशनल इक्वेशन लिखना है. तो आप जानते होंगे वॉल्यूम निकालने के लिए लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ इंटू हाइट. आपको पहले ही मैंने बता दिया है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट ब्रेथ एंड हाइट इज ऑल्सो a type of length. So suppose I am writing V as a symbol of dimensional equation for volume. This will be there will be 3 times length. It means length into length into length. Length, okay, length. Actually we can write this one length into length. बड़ा लंबा हो गया. This becomes L to the power 3. This is the required dimensional equation for volume. यही हम लोगों को प्राप्त करना था, डायमेंशनल इक्वेशन के रूप में प्राप्त करना था वॉल्यूम के लिए. इसमें लेंथ इंटू लेंथ इंटू लेंथ, दिस मीन्स L to the power 3. अगर कोई पूछता है, सपोज somebody is asking what is the dimension of mass in volume, there is no mass, so it is 0. And according to definition we have to know that dimensions means the powers. Okay, now we are coming to the next thing that is also very important for us to understand. Next thing is
Velocity.
Suppose this is velocity and we are going to write the डायमेंशनल इक्वेशन फॉर वेलोसिटी. देन वी हैव टू रिमेंबर, हमें याद करना है कि वेलोसिटी मास इनटू एक्सेलरेशन. मास वी नो दैट इट्स डायमेंशन इज m and acceleration. Taking the dimensional equation for velocity, then velocity means displacement by time. Actually we have written this here distance. We can write displacement also. Distance by time, distance means actually it is a length. Then L by T, this will be in this bracket. This is force. This means mass into acceleration. This becomes mass, and now the unit of acceleration we know that meter per second square. So per second square it means time, and there is a meter per second square. Meter means length per second square. This will become T minus 2. In the same way, suppose we are writing the dimensional equation for density. This is known as rho. Density means what? Density means mass by volume. Mass is measured in what? M, and volume is measured in, you have written L power 3. This will become M L minus 3, and here what is 0? Time is 0, so we will put T to the power 0. T having power 0. Today's final thing. Thanks.